Hey everyone, today I am sharing with you the most easiest way to make sheerkurma using one tip which my mother always say to me. So without wasting any time, let's see its quick making. In a cooking pot, add 3 to 4 tablespoons of desi ghee. Let it heats up, then add in dry fruits of your choice as I am taking here handful of almonds, cashew nuts, pistachio, few amount of dates, some raisins, also adding here handful of charoli which is also called chironji. After adding all this dry fruit, saute this at least for half minute on a low to medium flame. Then add in 1 cup of nicely crushed vermicelli. Crush this using your hands and add in. After adding this, stir it for few seconds. Now I am going to add here around 2 liters of milk. After adding milk, I am adding condensed milk which is around 500 grams. If you want, you could add sugar as per your taste, but adding condensed milk enhances its taste and its richness. It makes sheerkurma thick and creamier. But you can adjust the sugar or condensed milk as per your requirement depending on how sweet you would like to eat. Now add in 1/4 teaspoon of green cardamom powder, add some saffron strains, then keep gas flame on low to medium and let it cook. When boil comes to it, keep stirring it occasionally so that the milk doesn't spill out, and also keep scraping the sides as well as bottom. Always use thick bottom pan while making sheerkurma so that the milk doesn't burn. And one thing always remember, if you are making any sweet dish of milk, so always add sugar before milk comes to boil, or else add at the end. When milk start to boil, that time don't add sugar in it, otherwise there is a high chance of milk to get curdled. So never disturb the milk when it's boiling. And this tip is shared by my mother, which I always follow. Let the milk simmer on low to medium flame. Simmer it until the half cup of milk reduce. If you want, you could add kevra essence in it, but I am not using it. And that's it. It's done. It's very easy to make. Serve it in a bowl. If you want, you could serve it cold. Eid is just around the corner. Do try this traditional recipe of sheerkurma and let me know. And if you find my videos interesting, please give a like to my video, share my video, and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.